Hello guys, welcome to day 171 from 400 Days of Learning Programming Challenge. Today I am feel very happy because in the university a professor who she study in France, she asked me if I can join in a project that they have into creating a robot. Actually they already created the robot, and this robot is working in the service section of the industry. So this robot talk with people, and they asked me to if I can create some animation for the face of the robot, because one of the things that I am doing and I think I'm professional at it is creating animations, and she asked me if I can join them. And I told her that I am going to talk with her tomorrow when I am going to university. So this is a great opportunity for me in order to join a robot community, and this is a perfect situation for me. So I am very glad about it. Okay, enough talking about robots. Let's get back to our work, which is creating a website, mega menu. So the mega menu that I were trying to create is right now at this level. So I created everything, the banners, the links, the image tags. But yesterday, when I tried to create these 4 columns, the last column is getting too small in width. So I'm trying to fix this problem. I don't know why this happened. So let's get finding the solution for fixing this problem. I remember yesterday when I tried to create 4 columns. The columns were split equally, but after I did some additional coding, this problem happened, and I forgot what I added yesterday. So these things happened. This error, this flaw happened. Let me inspect it. I wish I could bring the inspect here. I cannot see the last column. Oh, okay. I'm pressing this button and check this. How we can fix this problem. So this is the column, which is C4. If I remove the second class, what will happen? The second class. Can I remove it here? How can I remove it here? All of the second class names going to be removed. Okay, nothing happened. So the problem is not from here. Let me check the codes. Where is columns? Here are columns that we have. First column, second, and the third and fourth. We have a line under every single of them. Let me disable all of these for now, for a second. Like this. It's going to be empty, right? And now let's add these class again, but with some I'm going to remove some of the codes. So let me bring it back for now. Paste it, and now Shift Alt A. Okay. Let's remove some of the things we have, like HR, classes, class, what class cold have? Oh, I found something here. Cold C. This C should not be exist here, right? So let me remove all of this again, because I removed HR tag from here, so I want to bring them back. And now what happened? Okay, let's remove these. Can you see this guy? I don't know how to zoom here, but here I add a extra C. So if I remove this, I hope the problem be solved. Okay, the problem has been solved. So easy. I found that most of the times my problem in coding is just these misspellings. I remember once I spent 2 days in order to fix a problem, and after 2 days one of you guys commented me in the YouTube that you guys told me, instead of writing grid display.grid, I wrote geared. So that was the misspelling problem, and it took me 2 days to solve, thanks to you guys. But I found out right now that if I have any problem, first it's better to check the spells of the words that I'm writing. Okay, so problem solved. I'm going to remove this line as well. We don't need it anymore. Let's remove these spaces. Nice. Let me bring back the design that I'm working on in order to see the next step that we have to do. Here is the design. Okay, now we have what we have columns name, the title. We can bring them at the left side, but I think it's okay to be on the center. We can change the position later if we want, but we don't want for now. And now after the lines that we have here, can you see this line? After the lines that I have created, one more thing that here we have is the padding, I mean the gaps between these columns. Can you see it? These columns have been separated. So I want to have the separation as well. The flex container should have a gap of 10 pixels. Control S. Now it looks more better. But later I'm going to delete this black color as well. Maybe it's better to remove it for now, right now. So the container, what is this div tag? Inspect. Where is inspect? Okay, inspect. Let me check the name of this div tag is flex container. Okay, the flex container have the black green screen, but I didn't here type any color for it. Where did this color come from? Flex container, I wrote this class 2 times, so let's cut this, paste it here for the sake of standardization. I don't know if it's right to use this word here, but for the sake of standardization, I'm going to bring it here, press Ctrl S, and now let's change the color to white, Ctrl S. It is okay. If I change the background color that I have here from red to white, it will looks the same, right? Let me change this. What is the name of this background color? Container. Okay, the class container here should have a white background as well. Control S. Now we have a good menu as well, but we can give it a border. We don't have any border here, but we can give it a border to see it. Like we can say the container should have a border line or just border of 2 pixels. Border line border style, I don't know, border style should be dash, press Ctrl S. Dash is not good. Solid, we can use solid. It looks more better. Now we can see the lines, the border lines here. Let's check out what is the difference between our menu and this menu. Let's give it some links here. Titles, subtitles. So these should be list, right? In order order to create a list, I have to use li links in the first column. So where's the first column? It's here. I think after the HR tag, I have to create some li, right? Li, and we can call it subtitle 1. Two, 3, 4, 5. Checking the result. Now we have some subtitles, but the problem is if I create a lot of subtitles here, it will getting out of the borderline. Let's remove these. There was a short key for routes ordering. Control Shift I. Control Shift I. It's not working. Control Shift P. It's not working. What the hell happened? Control Shift P, why it doesn't work? Let me just escape it for now. I want to remove these dots, black bullet that we have here. Style. I remember I have to set the style to none. For the code C1. This is the style. None. Okay, now we don't have that bullet point there. Let's bring all of them, bring the title and the subtitles here at the left side of the column. Okay. Text line should be at the left, right? It's all came to left. Good. Now let's just do the same things for these 3 columns as well. So after the HR tag, we create these lists. Control S. Now we have a good columns. But one problem that we have is if I continue typing more titles, subtitles here, it will going outside of the main container, which is a div tag. Let's add some extra list, just copying and pasting it here. As you can see, it's going outside of the mega menu. And why is that? I remember there was a code that in the flexbox, and that it will limit the contents to not getting outside of the div tag. But I don't remember what was that. How much time we have? We spent about 23 minutes. Let's spend more time right now. I'm going to check my notes for the flexbox. So there is a code called flex wrap. I hope it works. Flex wrap, and if I set it to wrap, it's going to solve the problem, I hope. It didn't. Maybe I have to open it again, open this page again. Nope. So here in my notes I have wrote that in the ordinary situation, when you add a item into flexbox container, if the container doesn't have enough space, the item will getting outside of the container. And you cannot see it again because in the default the flex wrap command set to no wrap, and if I set the flex wrap to wrap, it will solve the problem and the item will going to the next line without getting outside of the container. But as you can see, it didn't work. Maybe I target a wrong container. this code maybe I should cut this and put it in the flex container tag. Control S. I'm pretty sure I have to put it here, include it here. But in order to just test, I'm going to add it here as well. What happened? Nothing has been changed. Items getting out of container in Flexbox. The fix is an easy one. Simply add min height 0 to the flex child that has our overflow container. Min height to the child, right? Which is the code. Control S. Simply add min height 0 to the flex child that has our overflow container. The child. I have to read about this. and I already spent 30 minutes for practice. After finishing the the practice, after finishing the video, I'm going for dinner first, and after dinner I'm going to watch a new video for learning programming, and of course I'm trying to solve this problem if I have more free times. So this is what I'm going to do tonight. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys tomorrow.